Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a gallery block in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password. Now click on this website button below the website you want to add your gallery block in. Go to Pages, select the page you want to work on. Let's work on this contact page. Click on this edit button from the top. Now that I'm in the editing mode, I can select elements of my page. To add your gallery block in Squarespace, click on Add a Section, and from this left side menu, select Images. There are many templates you can select, but I will go with this one. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. To edit these default images, just click on Edit Gallery, then delete these photos and click on this plus icon. Select Upload Images and select the images you want to add to your gallery from your computer. Now that my photos are uploaded completely, you can close this window, click on Save from this corner, then exit this editing mode. Click on this preview arrow to go into the preview mode. And this is your new photos. That was all for this video. Don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.